So now we're going to use a person. We're going to create a character B-roll. So we're going to make an image of ourselves as an avatar, and then we're going to animate it and make it do things like walking down the street or whatever. So the first thing I want to do is add my skill. So I want the personal B-roll skill. And then I want to add images of myself. Okay, so, and you don't have to add images of yourself. You can make it a completely made up person. Oh, I want to have Chatty create a character reference sheet from all of the images that I uploaded. That way it can use that over and over and over again and just put you in different situations. Okay, so it took all of the images that I uploaded and it created a character reference sheet. So I'm going to use that character reference sheet as the truth, if you will. So I'm going to download that. So now that I have my character reference sheet, I want to ask it to give me um, my personal B-roll bank. So it's going to give me 10 different scene ideas that we could create. Now, remember, we did the same thing with our product. Give me 10 ideas that I can start with. And just like we did with our product, we're going to pick the ones that we like and we're going to have it make those for us. So I'm just going to have it make number one. Okay, here's my number one, which is looking fine. But this is something I want you to think about as you're creating them. If you don't like it, change it now and lock that in. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell it to make number two. Okay, so here are my 5 images. And then I told it to change the shirt color and style. So here's 4 and 5. So now I'm just going to tell it to create the 5 matching animation prompts and give them to me as a downloadable text file. And that's all we have to do with this part, because in the next part, we're going to animate.